Welcome to Phaser. We thank you for visiting our website. We assure you of complete satisfaction after watching the video of our signature product, Phaser Power Conditioner. We are introducing Phaser Power Conditioner for welding machines for the very first time in the history of welding. The concept of our product is indigenous and it is designed and manufactured entirely in India. It reduces the no-load and full-load current when used with welding machines, demonstrated clearly in the video ahead. Our product helps in saving huge power in welding machines, thereby reducing electricity bills and contributing towards a greener planet. Please take a look at the 360-degree view of our product. The continuing video will proceed with demonstration of single-phase and three-phase machine with Phaser Power Conditioner. Thank you. Do Earth a favor, be a power saver. This welding setup is with simplest transformer type welding machine. It is a 415 volt transformer type AC welding machine of which the output is connected to the welding holder and the input is connected to main supply panel. The main supply panel consists of an on-off switch, 3-phase multifunction meter, input cable and 3 output terminals R, Y, B with protection cover. As we switch on, the no-load current is 4.50, 4.64 and 0 amperes as only 2 phases are connected. A clamp meter is provided to measure the welding current. While welding, the current observed is 150 amperes approximately on the clamp meter. The input load current is 40.06 and 41.37 amperes as observed on the panel meter. This is without the power conditioner. Please observe the quality of welding. Now the power conditioner is placed between the welding machine and the mains input panel. Cable of power conditioner is connected to mains input panel and welding machine is connected to two output terminals of the power conditioner. With main switch on, you can see the no-load current is 2.58 and 2.65 amperes approximately, reduced to half of previous value, and there is no welding current as seen in the clamp meter. As the welding starts, the machine draws 150 ampere, no change. We can see the input current in mains meter as 16.60 and 17.19 amperes approximately, reduced by almost 50%. The bow results are with the power conditioner. Now you can compare the quality of welding.